Hello everyone, I am Upasana Taneja. Today we have a question. We are given a triangle that has sides in AP. Now, first of thing that we know that what is a triangle? A triangle has three sides. Now they are not mentioning that whether the triangle is right or not. So we will just plot a triangle. Okay, we will just plot a triangle. They are telling us that sides are in AP. Since we know that a triangle has three sides, right? And what is an AP now? First of all, I will tell you what is an AP. An AP is a progression where the difference between every term, each consecutive term is same. Like A, and another second term will be A plus D, and third term will be A plus 2D, up to so on. If you notice here, the difference between second and first is D. Difference between third and second is D. So this is called an AP. Okay. So usually whenever they tell us that three sides, a triangle has three sides, and they are telling us that three sides are in AP. So what do we take? Then we take three sides as this. So solution, let three sides of triangle are, we will not take a plus d, a plus 2d. Instead we will take a minus d, a plus d. Here as well, if you notice, difference between these two terms is d and these two terms is also d, right? But why are we taking in such order? Why do we take like this? Because now when we will add them, the d will cancel out, right? This is why we take in this order. These terms also have same difference, they are in AP. But when we are given perimeter, right, perimeter means we will have to add all the sides, right? Okay, so let us proceed this question now. So I will take perimeter is equal to 30. They are not telling us 30 meters or centimeters. We will just take as 30, though we know that it is in meter or centimeter like singular unit, and this is like meter square, meters or centimeter square, like two dimensional, right? This is one dimensional and this is two dimensional. So here we are given perimeter is 30. What is perimeter? Perimeter means we will have to add all the sides, right? That is equal to 30, right? Okay, so when we will add them, d and d will cancel out. 3a is equal to 30. That is why we took like this. Okay, so we can cancel out d, and a will be equal to 10, right? So now at least we know that our sides are, so that means sides are what? 10 minus d, 10, and 10 plus d. And now our job is to find the value of d. Okay, and for that we will use the concept of area. We are given that area is 36, right? Okay, so we are given area is equal to 36. Now you know what, if we are given right angle triangle, then we know that area is half times base times height. Now we know that this is not right angle triangle. What is this? This is a normal triangle where we are given sides. Okay, we are not given height, we are just given three sides. In this case we use Hero's formula. Okay, what is Hero's formula to calculate area? That is equal to, area is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. And what is S? S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, semi perimeter. So S is equal to what here now? A is 10, right? When you will add all the sides, then what will you get? 30 by 2, that is 15. So S is 15. Okay, and area will be equal to what? Under root of 15, right? 15 minus first side, this is first side, so 15 minus 10. When I will subtract, the sign will change. This is 15 minus 10 minus d. I will write in bracket first. Okay, and then second is 15 minus 10, and the third is 15 minus 10 plus d. Okay, now I will change the sign. This is equal to 15. Okay, this will be equal to 15 minus 10, and this was minus, this will become plus, right? Okay, 15 minus 10 is 5, and this is 15 minus 10 minus d. This is plus, and since we have outside this minus sign, it will become negative, right? Okay, so here we have 15, and this is 15 minus 10 is 5. So it is 5 plus d, 5, and this is 5 minus d, right? When we solve this thing. And now what will we do? This is equal to what? 15 times 5 is 75. And do you know this formula? That a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, right? So here we will get 5 minus d, 5 plus d, these two terms. It will become a square minus b square, right? This is a. Now we know that a is what? A is 36. A is 36. So we will just substitute the value. 36 is equal to square root of 75, 25 minus d square. And now we will solve this to find the value of d. Now squaring both sides. Why are we squaring both sides? Since we have a square root here. This is 36 square is equal to 75, 25 minus d square, right? What is 36 square? 1296 is equal to 75, 25 minus d square. And next I will just divide both sides with 75. This we are left with this, and right left hand side is this 1296 by 75. And when you divide this, you will get 17.28 is equal to 25 minus d square. Okay, and d square you will take on left hand side, and right hand side is this now. So d square is equal to what? D square is equal to 7.72 when you subtract it, and d is equal to under root of 7.72. Okay, and d is approximately equal to what? 2.78. This is d. Okay, now since we know our sides are 10 minus d, 10, 10 plus d, right? So our first side will be equal to 10 minus 2.78. Second side is 10, third side is 10 plus 2.78. So our first side is what? When you subtract it, you will get 7.72. Okay, and this is 10, and this is 2.78. So these are three sides of triangle, right? We were given what? Only the perimeter and area, and they told us about the sides are in AP, and we found out the sides. So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel and visit my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.